When you search for bathroom exhaust fans, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Panasonic Whisper Fit. First up is the Panasonic Whisper Fit Retrofit Ceiling Mount Bathroom Exhaust Fan. Priced at $135.99. This fan caught my attention with its sleek design and customizable airflow options. If you want whisper quiet performance and adjustable power, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this fan is a solid choice for you. It features a unique DC/ECM motor, which not only makes it energy efficient, but also incredibly quiet, operating at just 1.0 SONES. This means you can enjoy your bathroom without the humming noise of traditional fans. Plus, with Pick-a-Flow technology, you can set the airflow to 50, 80, or 110 CFM, great for different room sizes or usage needs. It's perfect for up to 105 square feet, ensuring your air stays fresh without a fuss. Now, some users mention the installation can be tricky if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, once it's up, it performs like a champ. Don't let the installation worries stop you. This fan is a worthwhile investment for long-term use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, quiet solution to keep your bathroom fresh. Skip this one if you need something more budget-friendly. Now, if the price of the Panasonic made you hesitate, the next one might be more up your alley. Product number 2, Bro-NuTone 50 CFM. Next up is the Bro-NuTone Bathroom Exhaust Fan, which is priced at just $21.98. This budget-friendly option really stood out to me because it's compact yet effective. If you're after something affordable for a small bathroom, this is definitely worth considering. This fan operates at 50 CFM, which is perfect for smaller spaces up to 45 square feet. It's Energy Star certified and runs at only 2.0 SONES, meaning it's quite peaceful for bathroom use. Installation is a breeze with its foldable mounting brackets, and you won't need attic access. This convenience can save you a lot of hassle, especially for DIYers. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that its power might not suffice for larger bathrooms. Here's the thing though, if you have a smaller space, this fan does its job well without breaking the bank. This is ideal for you if you're looking for an economical solution for a small bathroom. Skip this if you need more powerful ventilation for bigger spaces. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more power. Product number 3, Bro-NuTone 110 CFM. Now let's talk about the Bro-NuTone Bathroom Exhaust Fan that operates at 110 CFM, coming in at $96.99. This fan caught my eye for its balance of power and quiet operation. If you're dealing with a mid-sized bathroom that needs solid ventilation, you should really pay attention to this one. This fan operates at just 1.0 SONES while moving sufficient air to quickly clear fog mirrors and odors. It's designed for larger bathrooms up to 105 square feet, which is great for homes that need a little extra help. Plus, it features TrueSeal damper technology that minimizes air leakage, so you're not wasting energy. Some folks mentioned that it could be a bit bulky during installation. But honestly, the efficiency you get with this fan makes it worth a little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you have a medium-sized bathroom that needs effective ventilation. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-compact. Now, if you want something with a bit of flair, the next product combines performance with some fun features. Product number 4, Holdly 7-inch Exhaust Fan. Next, we have the Holdly V2262-50 Bathroom Exhaust Fan, priced at $45.99. This one really impressed me because it's specifically designed for a variety of small spaces. If you're looking for a versatile fan for different areas, this could be a great option. With a 50 CFM airflow capacity, this fan can handle odors and moisture effectively from bathrooms, kitchens, and even laundry rooms. It operates quietly, ensuring you won't be distracted while you're getting ready. The installation is made easier with its user-friendly design, allowing one person to set it up without much hassle. However, some users did find that the installation instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing. Once you get it up, it works well and is reliable for various applications, making a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a fan that's easy to install and versatile for multiple rooms. Skip this if you're looking for something with higher airflow. Now, if you're looking for a fan that adds a little fun to your bathroom experience, let's check out our last option. Product number 5, Bro-Nutone Chroma Comfort. Finally, we have the Bro-Nutone Chroma Comfort Bathroom Exhaust Fan with Bluetooth speaker, priced at $170.99. This is for those who want a bit of luxury along with functionality. If you're ready to upgrade your bathroom vibe, this might be the one for you. This fan not only provides 110 CFM airflow, but also includes a Bluetooth speaker for your favorite tunes and a 24-color LED light to set the mood. It runs at 1.5 sones, which is still quiet enough for casual listening while you shower. Plus, the app connectivity gives you control at your fingertips. However, some users pointed out that the app compatibility can be hit or miss depending on your phone model. But honestly, if you're looking for a fan that doubles as an entertainment system, the convenience and fun it brings is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want more than just a fan and enjoy customizing your space. Skip this if you're strictly focused on budget. So there you have it. Each of these fans has its own unique benefits tailored to different needs, whether you're looking for quiet operation, affordability, or even a bit of fun. To wrap it up, we've covered the Panasonic Whisper Fit for whisper quiet performance, the budget-friendly Bro-Nutone 50 CFM, the powerful Bro-Nutone 110 CFM, the versatile Holdly fan, and the fun-loving Bro-Nutone Chroma Comfort. Each one has its strengths. It really depends on what you prioritize for your bathroom. Make sure to choose wisely for a fresher home.